Staring at the ceiling, trying to fight the feeling. Deep inside your heart, you know it isn't what it was. Anxiety is growing like fog over the ocean. Hoping, wishing, praying that it's gone when you get up. You can try to wrestle with the mirror, but the truth is it can't get any clearer than that. You've been fighting it off just like a fever, but there's no use holding it back. Sometimes you need the rain to know you miss the sun. Sometimes you need the pain to know it isn't love. Sometimes the one you hold, you gotta let him go. You gotta let him go. You gotta let him go. Go. You gotta let him go. Go.
Let him go.